Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by cutting the phone off from the network because active connections can leak data. Once you back up only essential files to a PC or external drive, reboot into safe mode to halt third-party apps. In safe mode, you can inspect installed apps safely, note suspicious names, unknown developers, or apps using excessive battery. Make sure to record app package names before removing anything, since that helps later verification and restores if you accidentally remove a needed app. You now locate and remove the infection. Force stop and uninstall apps you recorded, focusing on package names rather than icons. Next, inspect device admin and accessibility settings to revoke any privileges the malicious app granted itself, otherwise it can reinstall. After that, run a reputable mobile antivirus. Let it complete a full scan, then review the report before deleting files. If an app won't uninstall, note it and prepare for the deeper steps we'll do next, so you don't skip hidden components. If the malware resists, perform a factory reset. Back up critical data first because resetting deletes user files. After reset, restore only vetted apps directly from official stores and sign in with new passwords. This prevents reintroducing compromised credentials. Once done, change passwords and enable two-factor authentication to secure accounts. If symptoms continue, reflash the device firmware or contact a trusted technician. This clears boot-level infections. A quick troubleshooting tip. If a reset didn't help, use a different network and a clean PC to rule out credential theft.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.